It's funding for small hospitals far from our big cities. It's something we've been keeping a close eye on since the start of the pandemic through to now. Many are still struggling to keep their doors open.
But tonight, THV 11's Jalissa Garza shows us how some leftover money may be the saving grace.
The last few years haven't been easy on Arkansas hospitals.
You have inflation, and you have increased cost in labor, and you have increased cost of drug prices and other things like that.
Executive Vice President of the State Hospital Association, Jody Ann Tritt, says many rural hospitals have had to make difficult decisions to keep their doors open.
I can keep offering this service if one of my sister institutions can offer this one close by. What we're running into at this point is we've done that for so long, there's nothing else to take from. And that's why you're seeing labor and delivery, for example, have to shutter or close its doors.
The association has been working nonstop to find extra funding for all hospitals, especially those rural ones. And now funding is on the way, thanks to last year's American Rescue Plan funds.
And the amount of money that the steering committee at that time, which was a legislative steering committee, could allow for hospital funds was about $60 million.
If approved by a legislative council Friday, 4 rural hospitals will benefit from the funds. One of those is the Eureka Springs Hospital.
Since the 1990s, we were a critical access hospital. We were one of the first critical access hospitals in Carroll County, and actually probably Northwest Arkansas at the time.
The hospital should get about $4.5 million, and CEO Angie Shaw says it's vital so they can keep caring for patients.
It'll open up some availability for us to do some upgrades, get much needed equipment in our ER, as well as bring in potential outpatient services.
Tritt hopes that even more hospitals could also get some extra help soon.
We've got to keep them open, and we've got to keep them sustainable, and we have to keep them having the service lines that those community members need.
In Little Rock, Jalissa Garza, THV 11 News.
Jalissa, thank you. The other hospitals looking to get that funding approved tomorrow are Magnolia Regional Medical Center, Delta Health Systems, and the Piggott Community Hospital.